This video is to show how to make an Accudemia tutoring appointment for the Academic Support Center using the Quicklinks in MyHerkimer. Once logged into MyHerkimer, scroll down to Quicklinks and click on Tutoring Appointments. You will be taken to a page that asks for your user ID and password, herkimer.accudemia.net. Your user ID is your H number and your password is the same as the one you use to get into MyHerkimer. Once logged in, simply click New Appointment to begin creating your appointment. For the purposes of this video today, we will show you how to make an online tutoring appointment. That means you're going to be meeting with your tutor virtually through Microsoft Teams, WebEx, or Zoom. The tutoring face-to-face is an identical process to the online creation, as well as the other services offered at the Academic Support Center. Once you've selected your service type, click the subject you want. A list of subjects you, as the student, are registered to appear before you. For this test purpose, Elementary Algebra and Physical Geology have appeared. Let's make an algebra appointment. Once this is done, you've selected your class and the tutors who tutor said class appear. In this case, Jeremy Petrick, our math specialist, tutors Elementary Algebra. What we see here is his weekly schedule. If we were to click Next, we see the following week appear. Let's say I want to make an appointment for Monday of next week, and I like the morning more than the afternoon. I notice that 9 a.m. is in green, which means Jeremy's available. I'll click 9 a.m. Once that happens, I am sent to this confirm page where I confirm that I want a tutoring appointment for Elementary Algebra with Jeremy Petrick from 9 to 9:30 on Monday the 27th. I do, so I click confirm. Once you see this confirmation, an email will be sent to Jeremy letting him know that he has an appointment with you, and an email will be sent to your student email with a link to show where you're supposed to meet Jeremy online. Follow that link at the appropriate time and you'll be connected to your tutor. That's how you make an appointment.